You know, we're still certain that this thing's going to move towards Texas. After that, still a lot of uncertainty whether it's going to come this way or maybe even move away towards Mexico. Some models have indicated that. The main models, the GFS and the European, both indicate it's coming this way, so that's what we're leaning towards. But again, still so much can happen.
Still a lot of
Waiting
time.
game.
Yeah, so if it does move this way, we are going to have a rain event, so we're just getting you aware that that is a possibility with this system. We hope it doesn't happen, but rainfall could come if it does move this way. As you look at your 10 p.m. advisory there, you can see not a lot of change in the movement, moving very slow to the northwest at 2 miles per hour. It is still a tropical depression, but things are looking a little better. The hurricane hunter out there has found better situation, a better structure of it. So it looks like thunderstorms are trying to develop more towards the center, and that would indicate that it's probably going to start to strengthen. As we look at the forecast track, again, pretty certain though. I told you, remember the 4 o'clock advisory had it at a tropical storm, and remember the intensity forecast could be a little bit higher, a little bit lower. Now they've come up to a Category 1 hurricane. As I've indicated, it could be a hurricane as it moves on. Sure, there are tropical storm watches and hurricane watches in effect. Those will probably be upgraded to warnings tomorrow. But as it moves on in on late Friday, Saturday going to weaken to about 60 miles per hour. Then Sunday and Monday kind of making just a loop because there's no steering currents really to keep it moving in one direction or another. So at least for 3 days, it may sit over Texas and keep things quite wet, close enough to the coastline that it could still feed from the warm Gulf waters there off the Texas coast. Now the water vapor imagery, this upper level low we had here is pretty much going away. So wind shear is letting up quite a bit. So conditions are becoming more favorable, and we're starting to see the fanning out of the moisture, indicating that it's going to get the moisture rising and evacuating, indicating that it's going to probably start to intensify as we go through the day tomorrow. So look at the precision cast model. What I'm going to show you is this front here is going to give us our chance for scattered showers and storms over the next couple of days because it's going to stay close to us. Now watch what happens with Harvey as it continues to move towards Texas. The precision cast model has it making landfall farther south, and then watch what it does there. It keeps it moving towards the west. As I've indicated, that and a couple of other models keep it moving away from us and keep it moving towards Mexico. Now, the GFS model, the American model for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, keep it along the Texas coast and then start to move it towards us by Wednesday and even into Thursday. We still have some rain around our area. So this might be a Monday through Thursday type situation if the GFS model holds true. Now, here's the European model. Friday, bringing it on shore along the Texas coast. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday still along the Texas coast. Then it starts moving it towards us, but the European model kind of brings it offshore a little bit where it weakens, or where it strengthens a little bit more. And then moving towards us on Wednesday, and then Thursday out of here. So that's a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday type rain event coming our way. So those big global models that we pay a lot of attention to have it moving in our direction. We'll have to continue to see what happens once it loses those steering currents over Texas. This is some of the latest rainfall estimates from the GFS model, showing about 3, 4, 5 inches of rainfall across us. Lots of heavy rain from southeast Texas to southwest Louisiana, and this is as of Wednesday. We could still see more rain on top of this on Thursday, but again, these models will continue to update as we get more data coming in and more information on where it's going to go. The European model shows that 3, 4 inches of rain, 5 inches of rain, and then across Texas and southwest Louisiana, yeah, a lot more. So a little bit closer, you can see there's 6 inches around Belle Chase, around 5 inches around New Orleans. So lots of heavy rain anticipated if it does come in our direction by both the GFS and the American models. And not to forget, old Invest number 92 right here could move over the southeastern parts here of the United States and could develop into a subtropical or a tropical system along a front along the eastern United States. We've got a couple of storms up to the north around Washington Parish. Other than that, pretty quiet out there. Temperature right now is at 85 degrees. High today was 93, and you can see that's a little bit above the average. So 20% chance for a shower or storm overnight, 70s in the morning. Pinpoint forecasts about a 50% chance of rain through Friday. And again, the weekend and next week depend greatly on what happens with Harvey.